Hey yo, what's up? Once again, Mother Bass, Child Man, baby. What's up guys, Boss Senpai in the house at Everyday Toy Day na naman tayo syempre. Pero ngayon, nandito tayo sa block screening ng Superman by Childman. Syempre, tropa natin si Dino. Ayan. Gaano ka-steel ang ating Man of Steel, di ba? Malupit daw to, so enjoy natin guys, let's go!
We also got the Mother Base toys and collectibles. We got some amazing custom shirts.
Tsaka, The Mother Bass by Boss Senpai! Grabe guys, sobrang solid ng block screening ng Superman. Syempre no spoilers kasi first week pa lang tayo, pero grabe, sobrang solid. Sir Ino, sobrang solid, no? Oo, ang dami. Tsaka, ang daming mga nakuhang mga prizes eh. Kasi ang dami nakuhang prizes. So, laging solid naman yung block screen ni Dino, ni Brother Dino, ni Childman. Ayun, next up, Fantastic Four. Let's go, guys!